Hi, I'm Courtney, and this is Bria.
Hi.
And we're singing Payphone by Maroon 5 featuring Wiz Khalifa.
I'm going first.
Payphone trying to call home all of my change I've spent on you. Ahead the time's gone, baby, it's all on. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here. You see, it's too late to make it. Is it too late to try? Why is the camera all up in my face? All of our bridges burned down. I've wasted my nights to turn out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in the time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I've spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby, it's all on. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever afters did exist, well, I would still be holding you like this. But all those fairy tales are full of it. Just one more stupid love song they'll be sick.
Turn back on tomorrow, 'cause you forgot yesterday. I gave you my love to borrow, but you just gave it away. You can't expect me to be fine, I don't expect you to care. I know I said it before, but all of our bridges burned down. I've wasted my lights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby, it's all gone. Where are the plans we made for two? If happily ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. And all those fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song, they'll be sick. Man, work that. I'll be spending all this money while you're sitting around wondering why it wasn't you that came up with nothing. Made it from the bottom, now when you see me, I'm stunting. I don't even know this part.
Whatever you call it, switch your number to my phone so you never call it. You can tell me I'm ballin'.
We're off.
What a shame you the guy picked. Had a really good game, but you missed your last shot. So you're talking about who's he at the top. Or when you saw and you had an overboard. They didn't pull it off. Ball it was like, go away, go what you was looking for. No, it's me who they want, so you can go and take that little piece of shh.
People trying to call
All my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's so gone.
Dude, they'd be good at making Wiz Khalifa go.
I know.
And that was Payphone.